Hello, teacher.
Hello, Jack. Hello, Angel. Good evening. Hello, class. Good evening, class. Oh, what happened to my camera? Oh my God. There's a glitch. There's a glitch. I become a robot.
So,
Oh, what happened to my camera? Okay, it's now better. Yes. Okay. Now we have an exam. You prepare your pen and paper. We have a lot of exams. Pen and paper, please. Hello, Mike. Hello, Mike. Did you prepare your pen and paper?
no.
Oh, please prepare your pen and paper.
No. Never.
You need to prepare because we have practice listening exam. Yes. Okay, class. Hello, Angel. Good evening. How are you today? Oh, I like your glasses.
Where is Johnny?
Johnny is maybe late. Let's wait for Johnny. Hello, Angel. I can't hear you. How are you today?
I'm good.
Yes. Okay, did you had already your dinner?
I did not meat and rice.
Wow, that's delicious. Okay, tomorrow is Saturday. Do you have any plans for your weekend? Do you have any plans for Saturday? Angel?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, do you have plan for tomorrow? Because tomorrow it's Saturday.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Oh, what's this?
It's a black. It's mine.
Yes. Okay, hello, Jack. Nice to see you again, Jack. How are you today, Jack? Jack, do you have school tomorrow? Do you have school tomorrow, Jack?
Yes.
Oh, because tomorrow is Saturday. Do you still have school?
No.
No? Yes or no?
No. Yes.
Oh, yes.
No.
What do you do, Jack, tomorrow?
Yes.
What will
No.
you do?
Why are you so stupid? It's
Uh,
no.
stop saying bad words, Mike. I'm asking Jack. I will ask you later. Jack, will you do tomorrow?
I done tomorrow.
Where are you going tomorrow? Oh, do you have school? Do you have school tomorrow? Okay. Thank you, Jack. Okay, Mike. Mike.
Thank you. Hello, teacher.
Welcome. Say welcome. When someone tells you, says thank you, say, answer it. Welcome. Welcome. Kiss, baby. Kiss, baby. Hello, Mike. Hello, Mike. Why you don't have school tomorrow? Jack have school tomorrow.
Học thêm.
Because it's Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday.
But I don't go to school.
Oh, you don't? Even before you don't go to school? Why? Why, Mike? Why you don't go to school?
It's Saturday.
Oh,
I don't want to go to school. But now I want to go to school. Look, say, hey.
no, don't fight class. That's bad. Don't fight. Okay, Mike, did you had already your dinner? What did you eat? What did you eat for dinner, Mike?
Pumpkin and meat.
Pumpkin?
And rice.
Wow. What is cook of pumpkin? Is that soup, steam, or deep fried pumpkin?
I don't know. No.
You don't know. But you think pumpkin? What is your favorite food, Mike?
Sausages and meat. And
Yes. Oh, there's Johnny. Hello, Johnny. Good evening, Johnny. Wow, you're fresh from bath. Did you take a bath? Did you take a bath, Johnny? Come here, kiss mama. Come here, come here. Give me water. Get water. Give me. Please. Thank you. Get water. My son is 5 years old now.
What?
My son is 5 years old now. He's still a baby. 5 years old.
No, he is.
He is 5 years old now.
He is
Hello, Johnny.
10
He looks like 10 years old because he's big, he's chubby, he's fat.
He is eating rice.
Yes, he eats a lot of rice and he eats a lot of bread. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy, no, kiss mommy. Love you. Okay, class. Now let's start with our exam. Are you ready? Where's Johnny? Angel, are you ready, Angel?
Yes.
Okay, how about Jack? Mike?
I'm ready.
Are you ready, Mike?
Yes.
Yes. How about Johnny? Are you ready, Johnny?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Our lesson for today is Fun for Starters, Practice Listening 16. Okay, part 16. Much more on listening, class. We will play an audio and put the correct answer like as always we do. Okay, next. Now let's have, okay, please look at picture. Okay, this picture. Please look at this picture. Now, put on your paper part 1, 1 to 5. Part 1, 1 to 5, class. Are you done, Angel? Jack?
Camel.
Camel? Where's the camel? Where?
Camel.
Okay. Now, did you put on your paper part 1, 1 to 5? Now, let's proceed to our audio. I will play the audio and please listen carefully. And the audio. Okay. The audio starts now.
Part 1. Look at part 1. Now look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
can you see the sock?
Yes,
Put the sock on the guitar.
on the guitar. OK, I'm doing that now.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1,
Now the pencil. Put it under the bed.
Put the
careful.
pencil under the bed.
Yes, please.
OK, I can do that.
2,
And can you see the ruler?
Yes, here it is.
Good. Put it next to the lamp.
Right. I'm
Teacher,
putting
what
the
is
ruler
it?
next to the lamp now.
What?
3,
Where can I put the T-shirt?
Put it in the garden, please.
Sorry?
Put the T-shirt in the garden.
4,
And can you see the glasses?
Yes. Can I put them on the mother's head?
Yes. Put the glasses on the mother's head.
Right.
5,
Now put the hat between the two shoes.
Pardon?
Between the two shoes.
Where can I put the hat?
Between the two shoes.
OK.
Now,
now listen to part 1 again.
now class, please answer. Number 1, Angel. Number 2, Jack. Number 3, Mike. Number 4, Johnny. Okay, I will play the audio again. Number 1, Angel. Number 2, Jack. Number 3, Mike. Number 4 is Johnny. Okay, I will play the audio now.
1,
Now the pencil. Put it under the bed.
Put the pencil under the bed.
Yes, please.
OK, I can do that.
Okay, where's the pencil, Angel?
2,
What
And
answer
can
here?
you see the ruler?
Yes, here it is.
Very
Good.
good.
Put it next to the lamp.
Jack, where's your
Right.
answer, Jack?
I'm putting the ruler next to the lamp now.
3,
Where can I put the T-shirt?
Put it in the garden, please.
Sorry?
Put the T-shirt in the garden.
4,
And can you see the glasses?
Yes. Can I put them on the mother's head?
Yes. Put the glasses on the mother's head.
Right.
5,
Now put the hat between the two shoes.
Pardon? Where can I put the hat?
Between the two shoes.
OK.
that is the end of part 1.
Okay, what's the answer, Jack? Number 2. What's the answer, number 2, Jack?
No.
You don't
Part
know?
1, fine. This is an example. Now you
Pencil under the bed.
Yes, please.
OK,
What number
I can
is
do
it?
that.
Put it under the bed.
OK, I can do that.
Number 2, Jack.
Put your pencil on the bed.
And can you
That
see
is
the
number
ruler?
1.
Yes,
Number 2 is
here it
ruler.
is.
Good. Put it next to the lamp.
Right.
Okay, number 2.
I'm
What
putting
is
the
next to the
ruler
lamp?
next to the lamp now.
Where is the ruler, Jack? This one. This one is
3,
the ruler. This one.
Where can I put the T-shirt?
Put it in the garden, please.
Sorry?
put the t-shirt in the garden.
Okay, number 3. What's the answer, Mike?
4.
And can you see the glasses?
Yes. Can I put them on the mother's head?
Yes. Put the glasses on the mother's head.
Right.
5.
5.
Now put the hat between the 2 shoes.
Pardon? Where can I put the hat?
Between the 2 shoes.
Okay.
Now listen to part 1 again.
Okay, now please answer,
Yes.
class. Number 2, Jack. Where's the ruler, Jack? Number 1 is pencil. Okay, pencil is under the bed. How about the ruler? Mike, where is the t-shirt? T-shirt.
It's in the garden.
Okay, put it in the garden.
Put it in the garden.
Okay, Johnny, where's the glasses?
Galaxy on the mother's head.
Okay, put it on the mother's head. Okay, point your answers, class. Number 1, pencil. Number 2, ruler. Number 3, t-shirt.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, are you done, Mike?
And this is
Number 4. Number 5, the hat between the shoes. Okay, let's check. Okay, well done. Now we are done with part 1. Are you done? Are you finished, class? Are you finished, Angel?
yes, finish.
Okay, how about... Okay, how about Johnny? Are you done?
I'm finished.
Mike, Angel, Jack, finish already? Are you finished?
No.
Okay, please finish.
Yes.
Okay, I will proceed to the next.
Oh.
Oh my God, I thought you're finished, Jack. Is your answer wrong? Is not correct?
November,
Are you done, Jack? Not yet. Finish?
Yes.
Okay, now let's have the next page. Now let's have part 2. Part 2. Please answer number 1, Johnny. Number 2, Mike. Number 3, Jack. Number 4 is Angel. Okay? I will play the audio. You can answer now.
Part 2. Look at the picture. Listen
1 to 5.
and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
Hello. What's your name?
My name's Bill.
Is that B-I-L-L?
Yes, it is.
And how old are you, Bill?
I'm 6.
6. You're very big.
Yes, I am.
See the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1,
Now, what's your favorite toy?
It's my toy monkey. He sleeps in my bed.
And what's his name?
It's Happy.
Is that Happy?
Yes.
1.
Number 1, Johnny, what's the answer?
2,
And how old is he?
My monkey's 3.
3. He's old.
Yes, I love him.
3,
Do you have a brother or a sister?
Yes, I've got 7 brothers and sisters.
Number
7.
3.
That's
Jack?
a big family.
I know.
Oh, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Shh. Okay,
4.
let's listen to the audio. Please
And what's
quiet.
your mom's name?
Her name's Pat.
Can you
Pat?
spell her name?
Yes, it's P-A-T.
5,
And what's your family name?
Our family name is Brown.
So your mom and dad are Mr. and Mrs. Brown.
B-R-O-W-N. That's right.
Now listen to
Okay.
part 2
Listen
again.
again. Please answer number 1, Johnny. Put your answer
1.
here.
Now, what's your favorite toy?
It's my toy monkey. He sleeps in my bed.
And what's his name?
It's Happy.
Is that Happy?
Yes.
2,
And how old is he?
My monkey's 3.
3. He's old.
Yes, I love him.
3,
Do you have a brother or a sister?
Yes, I've got 7 brothers and sisters.
7. That's a big family.
I know.
4,
And what's your mom's name?
Her name's Pat.
Can you spell her name?
Yes, it's P-A-T.
5,
And what's your family name?
Our family name is Brown.
So your mom and dad are Mr. and Mrs. Brown.
B-R-O-W-N. That's right.
Okay. Now please answer number 1,
that is the end of part
Johnny.
2.
Johnny. What is number 1?
Number 1 is Happy.
Okay, it's Happy. Next, number 2. What's the answer?
Number 4 is me.
Oh no, you're number 3.
No.
Okay. Mike, what's number 2?
Number 2 is 3. The monkey Bill is 3 years old.
Okay, it's 3. 3. Okay, very good. Next, number 4, Jack.
Huh? Me?
Shh. Oh, quiet.
Billy has 7 buzzer.
Okay. 7. Okay, very good. Number 4, Angel. What bills? Okay, please read. Please read first. What is Bill's mom's name?
B-A-T.
Mm-hmm. Her name is Pat. P-A-T. Number 5. Who wants to answer number 5? Number 5, please read aloud, Jack. What is the answer, number 5?
I
Jack?
don't know. I don't
Okay,
know.
what's Bill's family name? Is Brown. Okay, now we are done.
Huh? What? Billy?
Brown. Okay, please read aloud the example, Mike. The example here. What's... Okay, I can't hear you, Mike. Come here, kiss my...
What? Bill. What the boy name is Bill? How old is she? He. 6.
Very good. Okay, she is 6. Okay, are you done? Finish? Finish, Angel?
I finished.
How about Jack? Are you finished, Jack?
Yes.
Jack. Okay, we are done. Next, let's proceed to part 3. We have part 3. Now let's have the example. Please read aloud the example, Johnny.
What sport is on TV today?
What is this?
People.
Basketball. Okay, listen and write, tick or check the box. There is one example. Okay, please answer number 1, Jack. Number 2, Johnny. I will play the audio now. Please listen carefully.
Part 3. Look at the pictures. Listen and look.
What's
There
that?
is one example.
Potato.
What sport is on TV today?
What are you watching, Nick? Is it hockey?
No, that isn't on TV today. And there's no football.
What are you watching then?
Basketball. I'm enjoying it.
Basketball.
Can you see the tick?
Basketball.
Now you listen
Okay,
and tick the
number
box.
1.
Basketball.
1.
Quiet,
Which is
Mike.
Sue's toy?
Is this your toy bus, Sue?
No, it's my brother's.
Is this your train then?
No, but this is my plane. It's great.
Pick.
2. Where are Tom's trousers?
I can't find my trousers, Mum. They're not in my cupboard.
Look in the bathroom.
They're not there.
Oh, there they are. They're on the floor, next to your bed.
Okay, what's the answer? Number 1, Jack. Number 1, please read aloud, Jack.
Number 1 is
Which?
B.
Okay, which is, please read first the question.
Which is Sue's toy?
Yes. What's the answer? It's
B.
It's a train?
No, it is a plane.
Very good, a plane. Next, Johnny, please read aloud number 2. I like your haircut, Johnny. Your hair is getting much more smaller. Johnny, please read aloud number 2. Number 2, where are?
C. C.
Okay, what is C? What is C?
Down the E. Under the bed.
Under the bed. Okay, correct. Are you done, class? Mike and Angel? Are you done with 1 and 2?
Yes.
Okay, how about Mike? Are you done?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now let's have 3, 4, 5. Okay, here, Jack. Go, Jack. Don't do that, Liam. That's dirty. Throw. Hot? No, that's not hot.
Let me see. Oh. Okay.
Okay, are you done, Jack?
Finish.
Okay, let's proceed to 3, 4, and 5. Please answer number 3, Angel. Number 4, Mike. And I am number 5. No, throw that. That's dirty. Okay, I will play the audio now. Please listen carefully, Angel, Mike, and me.
3. Which book does Sam want?
Look, here's a book on sports, Sam. Do you want it?
No thanks, Mom. Is there a book on animals?
No, but this book's good. There are a lot of cars in it.
Great. Can I have that one?
Four. What is Anne drawing?
What are you drawing, Anne? Is it a tiger?
No, Dad. Can't you see?
I know. Is it a cow?
No, it's a hippo. Look, it's in some water.
5. What can Ben's mum do?
You like horses, Ben. Can your mum ride?
No, she can't.
What's her hobby? Can she play the piano?
No, she paints. Her pictures are very good.
Okay. Now, number 3, Angel, please read aloud.
Which book do Sam want? Hot. B.
Okay, what is B? About? About what? About? What is this letter B?
Badminton.
Oh, is this badminton or tennis?
Tennis. Tennis.
Okay. About cars. Letter A. Next, number 4. Johnny, Mike, number 4. Please read aloud, number 4.
Number 4 is a B. Only B.
Okay, what is number 4? What is?
It's a UFO.
Oh.
Okay, please read aloud, Mike. What is Anne drawing? Mike.
What?
Please read aloud question number 4.
Bed. Number 4. What is writing?
Drawing.
A hippo.
Okay, hippo, correct. And what can Ben's mom do? She is painting. Okay.
She is the
Okay, now class, put it your answers on the correct answers on your paper. And you may start now. Where's Dede? Miam, get Dede. Dede. Are you done?
Finish.
Oh, very good. How about Angel? Are you done?
Yes.
Mike,
What?
are you done answering the answer sheets?
Not yet, but number one, I don't know. Number one, I know.
Okay,
What
how
is it?
about Johnny? Are you done, Johnny?
What?
Are you done, Johnny?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay, number one is this, Mike.
What?
Where is number one? Okay, here, number one. Number one is, which is Shu's toy? It's an airplane. An airplane.
It's a hippo. No, it's a crocodile. It's a naughty crocodile.
Okay, are you done, Mike? 1 to 5. Finish? Finish? Johnny?
I'm finished.
Okay, Mike, are you finished?
Stop it.
Okay, now let's have part 4.
Okay.
Okay, don't say bad words, Mike. That's bad.
Stop
Now
it.
let's have...
Stop it.
Oh,
It's so stupid. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh, please quiet. Please quiet.
Stop it. I said
Now,
stop it.
shh, quiet, please. Quiet. Now let's have part 4. Okay, please look at the... Okay, give respect to your classmates. Part 4, please check the picture and put 1 to 5 and I will play the audio, okay?
I don't see the 1 to 5.
Yes, number 1 is Mike, number 2 is Johnny, number 3 is Angel, number 4 is Jack. Okay, I will play the audio. Please listen carefully.
Part 4. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
I love this picture. Look at all the fish.
Yes. You can colour them for me.
Okay. Can I colour the fish on the mirror? Can I colour it blue?
The fish on the mirror blue? Yes.
Good.
Can you see the blue fish? This is an example. Now you listen and colour. 1.
Yeah, where's the dede?
Now, can you see the fish next to the camera?
Yes. It's swimming in front of it.
That's right. Colour the fish in front of the camera yellow.
Yellow?
Yellow.
I'm doing it now.
Great.
Two.
And there's a fish in the box.
Oh, yes.
Colour it purple.
The fish in the box. Purple.
That's right.
Okay.
Shiny.
Oh my God, Mike, don't do that. That's bad.
Teacher, I don't write it.
Oh, Johnny, don't write. Johnny, that's bad. Okay.
Yeah, it's really bad.
Oh, don't do that, Mike.
3.
Okay, please listen
One
carefully,
fish
class.
is next to the
We
radio.
have an exam.
Can you see it?
Yes. It's listening to it. Can I colour that fish green?
Yes. Colour the fish next to the radio green.
That's my favourite colour.
Good.
Four.
Look at the fish in the water, under the ducks.
The fish under the ducks.
Yes. What colour can I do that fish?
Pink.
Pardon?
Pink.
Five.
5.
Now, the fish on the boat. Can you see it?
Yes.
Colour the fish on the boat. Colour it red.
Red? Great. I love this picture now.
Good.
What happened to you, Jack? Okay, number 1, Mike. What's the answer, Mike?
The fish is yellow.
Now listen to part
Okay,
4
color it
again.
yellow. Color it yellow.
1.
Now, can you see the fish next to the camera?
Yes. It's swimming in front of it.
That's right. Colour the fish in front of the camera yellow.
Yellow? Okay.
Yellow.
I'm doing it now.
Great.
Two.
And there's a fish in the box.
Oh, yes.
Colour it purple.
The fish in the box. Purple.
Bold.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Three.
One fish is next to the radio. Can you see it?
Yes. It's listening to it. Can I colour that fish green?
Yes.
Color the fish
Colour
green.
the fish next to the radio
Who is
green.
number 3?
That's my favourite colour.
Good.
Okay, are you done?
4.
Look at the fish in the water, under the ducks.
The fish under the ducks.
Yes. What colour can I do that fish?
Pink.
Pardon?
Pink.
Five.
Now, the fish on the boat. Can you see it?
Yes.
Colour the fish on the boat. Colour it red.
Red?
Okay, on the
Great.
boat.
I love this picture now.
Good.
Mhm.
Again? Again? No.
That is the end of the starters practice listen.
Okay, color it red. The fish on the boat, red. Now, what is number 1, Mike? Number 1? What is number 1, Mike? Mike. Oh my God, Mike. Please
What
listen.
teacher?
What is number 1?
Number 1 is the fish in front of the camera. It's yellow. Yes.
Okay, yellow. Is that correct? How
Yes,
about number?
Correct.
Okay.
Listening test 1.
Next. Number 2. Number 2. Who is number 2? Number 2. Who is number 2? Johnny or Jack? Johnny or Jack? Number 2. Number 2. Who is number 2? Class. Number 3? Number 3, Johnny, Jack? Hello?
No, teacher.
Okay, please answer number 2, Johnny.
Color the feet in the back purple.
Okay, where is it? In a box. There, in a box. Number 3, please read aloud, Jack. Jack, number 3.
Number 3.
Yes.
Number 3 is color your fish next to the radio. Is green. Green.
Okay, it's green. Very. Oh, no. Here, radio. Okay, next. Number 4, Angel.
Color the fish under the duck. Pink.
Okay, then the fish under the duck is pink. Very good. Next. Number 5, color the fish on the boat red. Okay, I've colored this one. Okay, are you done? Tell me when you're once done, okay? Now we can proceed to the next part, part 5. Okay, finish. Finish, Mike. Angel, are you finished?
Yes.
Johnny, are you finished?
I'm finished.
How about Jack? Are you finished, Jack?
bình tạm tạm khai khai. Nhưng đã nghe được
Mike, are you finished?
học xấu.
So?
What?
Are you finished?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, Jack, are you now finished? Almost.
No.
Not yet. Say not yet.
Not yet.
Please wait. What pizza do you like? Come here. Italian or Hawaiian?
Talking to the store. Teacher, what shape is this?
What's that? Oh, star. That is a star. Wow. What's that? Is that a food? Is that a food, Mike?
Huh?
What's
What?
that? Just a plastic?
It's a star.
Is that your bed, Mike?
No.
Whose bedroom is that?
It's my bedroom. It's not my bedroom.
It's your mom's bedroom?
Yes.
Wow.
It's not. My mom's bedroom is down. It's down.
Okay. Whose bedroom is that?
Not who. It's my sister.
Oh, your sister's bedroom. Who's with you? Okay, are you done, Jack?
Chị tưởng là ta không thể ngủ. Chị tưởng là sống sống bình bình tạm tạm khai khai.
Jack, are you done? Oh my God.
Sống sống bình bình. Không, cái này nhỏ vậy. Cái này nhỏ y như nhau. Nó đã được đưa đến quay.
Okay, are you finished? Not yet? Why it took you so long?
Oh my God. You're very different. Vâng. Một củ lắm có ha. What is this?
What's that?
And what's this?
Oh, is that a cone? A warning cone? Yes, when you're driving, you prevent that. Okay, Jack, finish? Let's proceed to the next. Okay, we are done. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, are you done? Now let's have a game. What game do you like, class? What game do you like?
I like
Angel.
Team 1 and Team 2.
Okay, let's have another game. Do you want to guess the word? Guess the word. Okay, guess the color and number. Okay, team 1. About team 1 is... Okay, let's have team 1. Team 1 is Johnny and Angel. Team 2 is Mike and Jack. Okay?
Me,
Johnny
team
and
two.
Angel.
Teacher, me
Team
team
2.
2.
Jack
Team.
and Mike.
What? Team.
Okay, 16. What color is it?
Black.
Black. Wow. Next.
3.
3. Okay, what color is it?
Gray.
It's color gray. Good job. Next. Angel and Johnny.
7.
7. What is it?
Gold.
Gold. It's gold. Correct. Next. Jack and Mike.
9.
9.
9.
Okay. 9. What color is it?
Green.
Green. Okay, it's color green. Good job. Next. Angel, Johnny. 15, 14, 13.
Double point.
15. How many mice?
2 mice.
2 mice. Wow, good job. Next. Jack. 6. Okay, what is it?
It's
7.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I think
1,
it's
2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6. Okay, it's 6. Correct. Next, Angel, Johnny. 10. 10. Okay. What color is it? Brown. Okay. Next. 2. Okay. Oh my God. Other team loses 10 points. Next. What number, Angel? Johnny? 4.
Snake.
Snake. Okay, it's a snake. Next.
11.
11. Okay, what is it?
It's blue.
Blue. Okay, are you team? Okay, team 2. Next. Team 1. Number? 12. Okay. Double point. Next. 5. Okay, 5.
Âm mà con điên.
White.
White. Okay. Who will be the winner? Last 4.
14.
14. Okay, what is it?
13.
It's a cup.
13.
It's a cup. Next. 13. Okay. How many crayons do you
8.
see?
8.
Okay, 8. Very good. Okay, what number?
1. Number 8.
8. Okay.
Red. Red.
Red. Very good. Next. Oh my God. Who is the winner? Team 1 is the winner. Good job, class.
Point.
Okay. We can play again. Okay, I need to rest.
Teacher,
Yes.
it's time to good night. It's
Yes. Let's have a reward.
no.
Reward
I say
for
no.
wait.
No reward. I say
Being
no.
on time. Thank you.
No.
And doing homework. Now helping each other. Very good. On task. Participating. Persistence.
Em phải không mà?
Remember the last lesson and teamwork. The special part of our lesson is teamwork and working hard. Okay, and I will give a reward. A reward.
Chị học lâu rồi mà. Chị học sau sương mà. Me top 1. Học trước.
Okay, let's give for our next top 1 and top 2. Okay, our top 1 is who wants to be top? Okay, Johnny, top 1. I will give you this, Johnny. Okay, Johnny is the hamburger. Yes, the hamburger.
Yeah.
Okay.
Top
2 is Angel. Yes, you have the patty cake, bakers, man. And top 3 is who is top 3? Is Jack. Top 3. I will give you popcorn. A popcorn. Where is it? I can't see. Popcorn. Yes, very good. And we have top 4 in Mike. Mike, our top 4. Okay, what is it? What is this, Mike?
Huh?
Mike, what is this, Mike? What is this, Mike? It's a pumpkin pie. Do you like pumpkin pie?
No.
It's yummy. It's delicious.
No.
Pumpkin pie.
No.
Okay, class. That's all for tonight. Love you, Mike. See you next class. Bye. Bye-bye, Angel. Bye-bye, Jack. Bye-bye, Mike. Bye-bye, Johnny. Good night. Good night, class.